Welcome to Secana Beachtown, your ultimate lifestyle residence located on Mirah Beach in Canggu, Bali's most popular neighborhood. Let's open the doors to our stunning luxury villa. This is not just a villa, it's a 3-bedroom masterpiece spread across 3 floors with a generous 315 square meters. Every inch is carefully crafted for those who seek a perfect blend of modern elegance, with a fully equipped kitchen and island and an expansive open-plan living room. Step outside and you discover the spacious outdoor area, an ideal spot for swimming and sunbathing under the tropical Bali sun. Enhanced with industrial influence interior design and Secana's Beachtown's resort-like amenities, ensuring your living experience is not only luxurious, but also effortlessly convenient. With 3 restaurants, including a rooftop pool club and fully equipped gym and spa, Secana Beachtown is now open. Contact us if you want to learn more about our other development projects.